Welcome to Turbo Rider. The legend is back. The 2025 Yamaha YZ 500 has made a roaring comeback to the motocross world. After years of waiting, Yamaha has revived its iconic 500 cubic centimeters two-stroke machine, a true powerhouse built for those who live for speed, dirt, and adrenaline. Engine and power. At the heart of the YZ 500 lies a massive 500 cubic centimeters two-stroke, liquid-cooled engine that delivers explosive acceleration and more than 60 horsepower. This bike isn't just fast, it's a beast on two wheels. With instant throttle response and brutal torque, the YZ 500 gives riders pure racing excitement with every twist of the wrist. Chassis and suspension. Yamaha has engineered the 2025 YZ 500 with a lightweight aluminum frame and high-performance suspension. The inverted front forks and linkage rear shock provide excellent control, stability, and comfort even on the roughest motocross tracks. It's designed to handle serious off-road punishment while keeping the rider in full command. Design and looks. The YZ 500 looks as aggressive as it performs. It features Yamaha's signature blue race colors, sharp body lines, and a muscular stance that screams performance. Every detail, from the plastics to the graphics, has been designed to give the bike a modern yet legendary appeal. Limited edition and availability. The 2025 Yamaha YZ 500 isn't a mass-market model, it's a special or limited edition machine, making it even more desirable among motocross fans. Its limited production means it may not be available in all countries, but that only adds to its exclusivity and collector value. Final thoughts. The 2025 Yamaha YZ 500 is not just a dirt bike, it's a symbol of power, freedom, and passion. A modern revival of the two-stroke era with advanced technology and unbeatable performance. For those who dare to ride it, the YZ 500 delivers one message loud and clear: the legend has returned. Like, share, and subscribe to Turbo Rider.